In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add header and footer in Adobe Acrobat. Adding a header and footer is a quick way to make your PDF look professional and consistent. You can include your document title, company name, dates, page numbers, or any helpful notes that should appear on every page. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips so your results look clean and polished. Start by going to Adobe Acrobat Home or opening Acrobat on your computer. Open the PDF you want to edit. If you're just practicing, a sample file works fine. Once the document is open, look to the upper left area and choose All Tools. This reveals the full set of editing features available for your PDF. Next, select Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and adds an editing toolbar. In that toolbar, find Header and Footer and choose Add. This opens the Header and Footer dialog where you'll do most of the configuration. In the header section, type your sample header text. You'll usually see 3 fields for the left, center, and right positions, so decide where the text should sit for best readability. Keep the header concise to avoid clutter near the top edge of your pages. Move down to the footer area and enter your sample footer text. The footer is a great place for page numbers or a confidential notice. If you want automatic page numbers or the current date, look for the built-in options in the same dialog, so you don't have to type them manually on each page. Before you apply the changes, take a moment to adjust the design. Use the alignment and margin controls to position the text away from the page edges, and preview where it will land relative to your content. If your first page has a cover design, consider turning on the option to skip the first page so the header or footer doesn't overlap a title or hero image. When the placement looks good, click OK to apply. Acrobat will add your header and footer across the document so you can review the result. If anything feels off, you can return to the header and footer tool and tweak it. To refine the look, you can edit the font style, size, and color from the same header and footer settings. Choose a readable font, make sure the size is large enough to see but not distracting, and keep color contrast high for accessibility and print clarity. Once you're satisfied with the styling, click OK to finalize. That's it, your header and footer are now in place. When you're done, remember to save your PDF so your changes stick.